Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Learn ABC of B Pharmacy with Pooja Chavan. In my last video, I had told you about first semester B Pharmacy syllabus along with the textbooks and reference books. If you have not seen my last video, then do watch it. I will share the link below. Today's video will be on second semester B Pharmacy syllabus along with its textbook and reference books. So friends, let's start. In B Pharm second semester, there are 6 subjects in total. First, Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, that is HAP 2. Second, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. Third, Biochemistry. Fourth, Pathophysiology. Fifth, Computer Application in Pharmacy. Sixth, Environmental Science. So let's see what you have to study in each subject. Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, that is HAP 2. This subject is designed to impart fundamental knowledge on the structure and functions of the various systems of the human body. Friends, already in first semester, you have Human Anatomy and Physiology 1, that is first part. Again in second semester, you have the second part, okay? In this subject, we will study about respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system, nervous system, endocrine system, etc. In first semester, we have learnt about cells, blood, tissue, skeletal system, peripheral nervous system, etc. So this is all about Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, that is HAP 2. Next is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry. This subject deals with classification and nomenclature of simple organic compounds, structural isomerism, intermediate forming in reactions, important physical properties, reactions and methods of preparation of these compounds. The syllabus also emphasizes on mechanisms and orientation of reactions. In this subject, classification, nomenclature, general method of preparation, important reactions, structure and uses of organic compounds will study. Friends, here everything you will study about organic compounds. What are organic compounds, friends? Compounds which contain carbon-hydrogen bond, that is CH bond, are called organic compounds. Some organic compounds are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids. So let's see what you will study in pharmaceutical organic chemistry. Example, aliphatic amines, carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acid, alkanes, alkenes and conjugated dienes, etc. Next subject is biochemistry. Biochemistry deals with the complete understanding of the molecular levels of the chemical process associated with living cells. Friends, in this subject, student will get to learn about the biological processes which take place in cells and organisms. For example, in biochemistry, you will learn catalytic role of enzymes, therapeutic and diagnostic role of enzymes, enzyme inhibitors, biomolecules, bioenergetics, etc. Next subject is pathophysiology. The study of the functional changes that are occurring within an individual due to a disease or pathologic state. Students will study here different causes of diseases and reactions of body to these diseases producing causes. For example, here you will study principles of cell injury and adaptation, process of inflammation and repair, study of signs, symptoms, etiology, complications, pathogenesis of various diseases related to cardiovascular system, nervous system, respiratory system, renal system, endocrine system, etc. Next subject is computer application in pharmacy. In this subject, students will study the introduction database, database management system, and computer application in clinical studies and use of databases. Friends, in this subject, that is computers application in pharmacy, we must know that computer is very useful for the pharmaceutical industry. Here students will study how computers are useful for drug design, crude drug identification, drug information, storage and retrieval, the bulk drug and pharmaceutical manufacture. For example, types of applications of computer in pharmacy, types of databases, bioinformatics, number system, concept of information systems and software. These things will be taught in computer application in pharmacy. Next subject is environmental science. Environmental science is the scientific study of the environmental system, which includes the study of physical and biological characters of the environment, as well as the social and cultural factors and the impact of man on environment. In this subject, students will study environment and effect of physical, chemical, biological, social and cultural factors on environment. For example, we'll see here various resources, that is renewable, non-renewable, forest resources, water resources. Then we'll study about ecosystem, for example, forest ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, various types of pollutions we'll see here, like air pollution, water pollution. Okay. So friends, this was all about second semester syllabus for B Pharmacy students. Now let's see textbooks for second semester B Pharmacy. First subject, Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, that is HAP 2. You can refer textbooks Human Anatomy and Physiology 2 by author Dr. S.B. Bhise and Dr. A.V. Yadav. Second textbook is Human Anatomy and Physiology 2 by author Dr. Mahesh Prasad, Dr. Antesh Kumar Jha and Ritesh Kumar Srivastav. For Pharmaceutical and Organic Chemistry, textbook which you can refer is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1, that is by author Dr. K.S. Jain and Dr. P.B. Maniyar. Second textbook is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1 by author Varun Arora, Pragi Arora, Sapan K. Shah and Arvind R. Umarkar. Next subject is Biochemistry. For Biochemistry, you can refer book Biochemistry written by author Dr. Mrs. Padmaja H. Agarkar, Dr. Yogesh Kulkarni and Dr. Ram Mohan Rao. Next textbook is a textbook of Biochemistry by author Dr. U. Sai Jyoti. Next is Pathophysiology. For this subject, you can refer textbook Pathophysiology written by author Dr. C. M. Jangme, R. D. Vadulkar, Shiva Kumar S. Ladde and Dr. B. N. Paul. Next textbook is a textbook of Pathophysiology by author Rajneesh Garg. Next is Computer Application in Pharmacy subject. For this you can refer textbook Computer Applications in Pharmacy by author Dr. G. D. Gupta, Dr. Shailesh Sharma, Ramanjit Kaur and Rakesh Joshi. Next textbook is Computer Applications in Pharmacy written by author Gopal Bansilal Shimpi and Muhammad Ragib Muhammad Usman. For Environmental Science, you can refer textbook Environmental Sciences by author Professor Dr. M. K. Gupta, Professor Dr. Manish Jaimini and Vikas Pandey. Next book is Environmental Sciences by author Anubha Kaushik and C.P. Kaushik. Friends, this textbook you can refer. In these textbooks, each and every detail is mentioned, okay, and easy understanding. Okay, so you will find it easy. Next we will see reference book for second semester B Pharmacy. For HAP, that is Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, you can refer book Essentials of Medical Physiology by author K. Sambulingam and P. Sambulingam. Next reference book is Human Physiology Volume 1 and 2 by author Dr. C.C. Chatterjee. Next is Pharmaceutical and Organic Chemistry 1. For this subject, reference book is Organic Chemistry by author Morrison and Boyd. Next, Organic Chemistry Volume 1 by author I.L. Finar. Next, Biochemistry subject. For Biochemistry, you can refer book Lehninger Principles of Biochemistry by author David L. Nelson and Michael M. Cox. Next reference book is Biochemistry book by author D. Satyanarayan and U. Chakraparni. For Pathophysiology subject, you can refer book Textbook of Pathology by author Harsh Mohan. Next is Pathologic Basis of Disease by author Vinay Kumar, Abdul K. Abbas, John C. Esther and Robinson Kotran. Next, Computer Application in Pharmacy. Reference books are Computer Application in Pharmaceutical Research and Development by author Sean Atkins. Next reference book is Bioinformatics Concepts, Skills and Applications written by author S. C. Rastogi. Next, Environmental Science subject. Reference book is Environmental Science written by author Dr. Y. K. Singh. Next book is Environmental Encyclopedia by author Cunningham, W. P. Cooper, T. H. Gorani and E. N. Hepworth. Okay friends, that was all for today. Hope you liked my today's video. Do comment and let me know. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe it. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.